Welcome to Glow Kids World.
Hello, kids. Look, it's the farm. We see horse, cows, sheep, pig, duck, chickens, and many more. Are you ready? Let's go.
This is a horse.
A horse is a fast and strong animal that can run very quickly. It has long legs, a flowing mane, and a beautiful tail that makes it special.
This is a cow.
Cow is a large farm animal with 4 legs and a gentle face. Cows give us milk and like to eat grass in the field.
This is a buffalo.
A buffalo is a big, strong animal that loves to live near water and grasslands. It has curved horns and thick skin that make it look very powerful.
This is a bull.
A bull is a strong male cow with big muscles and sharp horns. It is known for its power and bravery, often seen as a symbol of strength.
This is a goat.
A goat is a playful farm animal with 2 little horns and a funny beard on its chin. It loves to climb, jump, and eat green grass and leaves all day long.
This is a sheep.
A sheep is a gentle farm animal covered with soft, fluffy wool. It likes to stay in groups and eat fresh green grass in the fields.
This is a donkey.
A donkey is a helpful farm animal with long ears and a loud bray. It is very strong and can carry heavy loads while walking on rocky paths.
This is a pig.
A pig is a pink farm animal with a round nose called a snout. It loves to roll in the mud and makes funny oink-oink sounds.
This is an alpaca.
An alpaca is a gentle animal with long neck and super soft, fluffy fur. It lives in the mountains and gives warm wool for making clothes.
This is a llama.
A llama is a tall animal with a long neck and thick fur, a cousin of the alpaca. It is strong, kind, and can carry loads while living high in the mountains.
This is a turtle.
A turtle is a slow animal with a hard shell that lives both on land and in water. It uses its flippers to swim and loves to rest on sunny rocks.
This is a rooster.
A rooster is a colorful farm bird with shiny feathers and a tall red comb. It makes a loud crowing sound in the morning to say, "Wake up!"
This is a hen.
A hen is a female chicken that lays eggs for us to eat. It loves to peck the ground for food and take care of its little chicks.
This is a duck.
A duck is a water bird with webbed feet and a flat beak. It loves to swim in ponds and makes a funny quacking sound.
This is a goose.
A goose is a big bird with a long neck and strong wings. It loves to honk loudly and often swims in lakes or flies high in the sky.
This is a quail.
Quail is a small bird with a cute little feather sticking up on its head. It runs quickly on the ground and lays many tiny eggs.
This is a goldfish.
Goldfish are small, shiny orange fish that love to swim in ponds and bowls. They are one of the most popular pet fish in the world and can live for many years with good care.
This is a tilapia.
Tilapia is a freshwater fish that lives in rivers, ponds, and lakes. It is quick, friendly in groups, and one of the most common fish people eat.
Thanks for watching.